It's going to be a reading for the sign of Aries for the next 10 days. So, what you guys can possibly expect in your soulmate relationships. So, let's see what's happening in your life currently. One card for what's currently happening in your life or what's coming in your life. Okay, so right now with Three of Wands, you guys could be waiting on something, waiting for a new work opportunity, a work opportunity, a job opportunity, um, or possibly waiting for your partner to reach back to you. Okay, with the World card, you guys could be wanting to travel. Three of Wands and World could possibly relate to a long distance relationship as well, if it's not that you guys are wanting to travel. Okay, top card we have is Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles tells me that some of you are wanting or looking forward for a more stable partner, someone who you can rely on, someone who you can trust, someone who is much more nurturing, and someone who's also very stable when it comes to their finances, their work life. Okay, so give me one more card as to what's coming towards you, what's coming towards Aries for the next 10 days. Okay, so with Justice card and Sun card, I definitely see balance coming in your life. Okay, after maybe you guys struggled for the past 2 to 3 months, things have not been good in your life overall. There have been some ups and downs which you wanted to possibly, get better. And with the Sun card, I definitely see happiness coming in your life eventually. Okay, with time things are going to get better. Okay, so possibly just stay focused on yourself, good things are coming towards you. So with Justice card, it could also mean that for some of you, if you are dealing with a Libra or a Leo, this person is definitely going to give you attention. Okay, so yes, top card we have is Two of Pentacles, bottom card we have is Nine of Wands. So in the past you guys were going through a lot. Right now you guys are juggling, but majorly I do not see you taking action. I rather see you waiting for your person to reach back to you. Okay, so yes, in terms of your soulmate, what are they up to? In terms of your soulmate, Aries soulmate, what are they up to? Okay, so right now in terms of your soulmate, we have Four of Cups. So right now, if you think your person has multiple options, okay, and if this person rejected you in the past, okay, I see this person not going towards another person, rather staying focused on themselves. So if you are of that belief that your person left you or your person is ignoring you for someone else, I do not think so. I very much feel your person has taken a time away from you or taken time apart from you to focus on themselves. We have Eight of Pentacles. Okay, currently your person could be possibly thinking about the situation or your relationship. I'll give you one more card as to what's the energy towards Aries now. What's the energy towards Aries? One card for that, please. Okay, with Knight of Wands, yes, your person is definitely wanting to come forward. Okay, they will definitely take that initiative. If you've been waiting on your person, then I definitely see your person coming forward. Okay, in the past they could have given you that reassurance, but they never took that action. But now I see them being restless over you. Okay, they are very much going to come forward. Okay, one card for how are they thinking about you now? How are they possibly thinking about Aries now? Okay. So with Page of Pentacles, they are definitely interested in you. They definitely find you attractive, whole, in terms of your looks, in terms of your personality, and in terms of investing into this relationship. In the past, yes, they had options. Okay, yes, you were one of their options, but I do not think that the other options even compare to you. You know what I'm trying to say? With Wheel of Fortune, in the past, things were not looking good. Time was not good. Luck was never on your side. Maybe for many of you, this was a long distance relationship, and luck always came in the way. When things were getting better, something eventually messed it up. Okay, so one card for how do they view you now as a soulmate, as a person? How does the Aries soulmate view Aries currently? Okay, we have a card. So right now with Ten of Wands, I definitely feel like they see you little burdened. Okay, like they feel like you are dealing with a lot. Okay, some of you might have some family responsibilities. If it's not family responsibilities, then this could be your work responsibilities. But I definitely see that your person looks at you as someone who is burdened with their work life or their all that they are responsible for, maybe your family responsibilities or whatever you're dealing with, darling. Okay, with the World card, they feel like you are distant or you are staying away so that you can fulfill your needs in terms of whatever role you have in life. Okay, so with Page of Cups, they definitely know that they have feelings for you. They also look at you as someone who has feelings for them, but they fear that your work responsibilities or your family responsibilities will get in the way. Okay, and they feel like you're majorly focused on your work life or your family life. Okay, whatever responsibilities you've got, take what resonates. Okay, so yeah, one card for their intentions towards you coming forward. What are their intentions towards you? Okay, intentions, we have Ten of Cups, so they are definitely wanting to look forward to this connection, definitely looking forward and hopeful, and that this is going to move full circle. They are wanting this because they feel like you give them happiness, staying with you, being around you. They feel that fulfillment. Okay, and they want this fulfillment with you. Okay, with Three of Cups, they are definitely looking forward for the reunion or reuniting with you. With Page of Cups, this person might come back and even give you a possible apology. Okay, I definitely see that. Okay, so yes, you give me one card for what action they want to take towards you now. What action are they possibly wanting to take towards Aries spirit? With King of Cups, this person is definitely wanting to keep their heart open to you. A King of Cups is not a very romantic card in terms of expressing. Yes, 100% sure they have feelings for you, but a King of Cups is not a very expressive person. They are going to behave all sweet, warm, kind, gentle with you, even nurture you, but they won't say all those lovey-dovey words. Okay, not the types. Okay, with Knight of Pentacles, I also see them wanting to invest long term. Okay, not just looking forward for a quick 1 year relationship or 5 months relationship or 3 months relationship. I mean, the relationship that are trending nowadays, they're looking forward for a long term thing. Okay, so give me one card for their current feelings towards you, their current feelings towards Aries, please. With Six of Cups, they definitely look at you as their soulmate, as someone who makes them happy, as someone who they connect with, as someone who's their equal, someone who they vibe on a very soul deepful level. Okay. With the Nine of Pentacles, they were trying their level best to be financially stable before coming forward towards you. With Temperance card, things were not balanced between the two of you. You wanted something else, they wanted something else. With Eight of Swords, they felt stuck to something. They were not able to make, like they were not free to make a move towards it. Something always stopped. It was either their self-doubt or their responsibilities or your responsibilities came in the way, but something always came in the way, no matter how good the connection was. Okay, if you're asking me if this person has feelings for you, definitely yes. Okay, if at all it has resonated with you so far, yes, they have. Okay, so one card for what are they looking forward to have with you now. What are they looking forward to have with you, Aries soulmate? With King of Swords, first thing I see is that they are wanting to talk to you now. Okay, honest conversation, honest communication is definitely coming your way. Okay, with Nine of Swords, and they are wanting to free themselves from all that that was holding them back, or whatever was holding the two of you from coming together. Okay, so yeah, they might also open up about certain secrets that you need to know, like whatever they were hiding from you. Okay, so one card for where this connection is moving forward. Is this connection possibly moving forward for the next 10 days? If you've been married to this person, then I definitely see this person wanting to possibly extend themselves much more, keeping themselves much more open to you. Okay, with the world card, I definitely see this connection going forward, not ending. World is not always ending. They are wanting to look forward for full circle with you, like going full circle, completing the cycle with you. Okay, definitely wanting to come forward. This is not an ending, not for like. I feel like in the past they were not wanting to invest. They had that love for you, but they were not very open when it came to investing. We have Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. So in the past, I definitely see them holding back, and you got the thought that they had given up on you. Okay. With Page of Wands, there could have been some bits of communication, but that was not much. The past connection felt more sexual than more emotional. With Seven of Swords, your person was very sneaky. You did not know if they were cheating on you or not. With Five of Cups, it was majorly a disappointment in the past. Okay, you had lost faith. With Ten of Pentacles, but you still wanted to hold on to this person. Okay, with the Hermit card, one of you ghosted eventually. But right now, I see this relationship having the potential of going full circle. That is the word. Okay, could be also looked at as Ten of Pentacles or Ten of Cups. Okay, give me one more card. For what can you expect in terms of action for the next 10 days from your person, Aries? Okay. With Ace of Pentacles and Queen of Wands, I definitely see them taking action towards you. Sure, short, yes. Do come back and let me know if they have. But I majorly see them taking that new step forward, or taking that new leap of faith towards you in order to move forward. Not just for the sake of communicating, not just for the sake of, like a quick session with you. They are wanting to move forward in a long term way. Ace of Pentacles is a very serious offer. It is not Ace of Wands where they come back for some quick sex and they leave you when they feel like they are fine now. Okay, they are coming back for something serious. If at all they are coming back, they're coming back for something serious. Okay, so yes, what's the main blockage that's holding you back? What's the main blockage that's holding you back, Aries? I've tried to look into every situation possible. Okay, so yes. The main blockage I see was, for some of you, your person could have been a bit younger to you. If they were not younger in terms of age, then they were a little, childish. Okay, it could be you or them, and you guys were majorly focused on your dreams, on your personal goals. Nine of Cups is all personal goals. Okay, so your bit of selfishness always got in the way. Okay, and addictions could have also like got in the way. Okay, addictions in terms of everything, could be drinks, drugs. Cheating involved as well. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I have for you. So let's take love messages from your person. Love messages from Aries soulmate to Aries now. Okay, so we have one card. I've been putting myself first. Yes. Okay. So I've written it on the card, so it's not very visible. So they've been putting themselves first in the past. So yes, they were very selfish. Okay, this could also have been Aries doing this. So take what resonates in your case. But I do feel like if your person was responsible for the separation, then they've been putting themselves. They wanted to reach somewhere in terms of stability. So they've been very focused on themselves. Okay, I fear you rejecting my real side. Okay. And for some of you, if your person was involved with someone else, then that could have got in the way. Karmic. Okay, I've been more focused on my finances. I want to be more stable. So just like I told you, okay, they've been more focused on their finances, and that always got in the way. Maybe you guys are dealing with a air sign. Okay, Libra, Gemini. I also see Capricorn. I also see Virgo. Okay, I also see Leo for some of you. Okay. So yes, this is your reading. If it has resonated in any which way, please support the channel. More likes gives you more readings. So yes, if it gets to a certain point, then I'll be doing another reading, bonus reading very soon. And also support your channel on Instagram, Aries Vibes Only. Okay, I've started a new channel. Please support. And if you want a personal reading with me, go to my website, Book One. You could reach out to me on my WhatsApp or my DM on Instagram, or like even email me on divinesoultarot09@gmail.com, and you could get back. It's a quick session on WhatsApp. So yes, thank you so much. See you soon. Cheers.